Dude, it feels beautiful out here. Like, insanely. This stuff is all dry, man. That's a beautiful thing. It's dry. It's all dry. So is my contact lens. Holy shit. Man. Ooh, some ruts now, man. Look at that. They'll have some gnarly nails in them. Where does that go? I don't remember that. Does this just go around this? I don't remember what side is. That looks fairly new. Yeah, it just cuts around is all that does. There's that spot. I don't remember. Oh, shit on me. Caught that rut. I don't think we've ever taken this track this direction before. We want to go right here. Trying to get my bearings back here. It's been a while. It doesn't look wet, but it's straight solid mud.
Yeah, I went through a bunch of mud and then hooked up.
I was in third gear there. No, it wasn't. We usually hit this track in the other direction. We don't usually come this way. Today we're hitting it backwards, kind of. Dude, you want to see something funny, brother? When I fell asleep on the beach yesterday, I had one hand in my, because it was pretty chilly, one hand in my sweater pocket, the other on my chest. Look at that.
Yeah, I see it.
Yeah, this is that mush mud. Ain't no hurting a little mud. Yeah, let's get it, T. Get that mud out my tire. Wow, not enough speed. Second gear though. Not enough speed at all. I should have been in first. Unless I was in third. No, that was first. Oh yeah. Oh, you slide a little?
I got all crossed up.
That's weird. Do you see this hole in the tree here?
And I wheelied, and when I wheelied, the front tire came down on top of the rut.
Just trying to get my feet braced. There we go. Yeah, hell yeah. Ooh, them sticker bushes. Holy cow. Ow. Oh boy, them sticker bushes. They got me. I want to get them thorns out my shirt. Well, we got another tree down. Lots of trees down. Oh, right in my nose. Tore my freaking nose up. I'm gonna keep a little distance on him here. Nice big log. Second gear though, had no speed. So I tried to catch it. I'm gonna have to put my goggles back on. Deep for a moment there. He's missing all the mud holes this time. I'm not. I don't have my goggles in, so I'm just kind of ducking my head down. You know? See? Something flew in my eye. I can only hope there isn't like a holy cow. I can't tell where we are. No idea. Whoa! Second gear, as soon as it hit the ground, the bike cut off. Even when I gave it gas, it just Whoa. I almost wanted to go straight off until I came right up on it. Right here, dude. Boom. Well, maybe not. Or how about this? Hit that ledge, land in the rock bed. It's enough room.
Yeah, I don't think my knee can take that.
No, I'm with you. That's sand, dude. Man, it looked
It's all rock in there.
it looked deep, but it was all rock. Yeah, man, coming off that from a distance, it looked like it just went down a little bit of a bump into that side there. And I came up and saw the drop and was like, no.
Can you hop up this?
Yeah, that's pretty gnarly.